Let me shock you today. Under the new tax reform, some businesses in Nigeria will legally pay zero tax. Yes, zero. This is not a tax evasion thing. This is not a connection. This is not a miracle, but law. LAW, law. But here is the problem. Most people that qualify for this zero legal tax paying will still pay for tax. Because why? They do not understand the system. Let's break this down a bit. Under the new reform, if your business is classified as a small company, you may be exempted from company income tax, that is the CIT, VAT charging, developmental levy, and even some withholding tax obligation. So under the law, who is qualified to be under the small company? According to the law, if your turnover is 100 million or below, or if your fixed assets is 250 million or below. The law is basically telling you that you are a small company and they are telling you to do what? To grow first. They actually do not want to choke you, right? But here is where many businesses miss it. You don't automatically enjoy this benefit just because you are small. You cannot. One, you must be properly registered. Two, you must be properly classified as that small company. You cannot say that you cannot be let's say a medium sized company and you are classifying yourself under a small company. You must also file returns, even if it is nil. You must also align your structure with your revenue level. So if you don't file, the system assumes maybe you are actually hiding something, and if this is already in place, penalties is already in place. And one thing is that people would not actually feel the heat now until maybe like after 2 years later, especially those that are registered with, let's say, FRS, or maybe they've done their tax once activity and they have no filings, no records, or no returns or anything attached to their tax forms. 2 years later, banks may actually flag the account, or FRS sending notice and penalties will actually enter the chat. Or maybe former businesses that are operating without registration, after a while they will start getting notice, or they will start getting flagged with their personal account. So, or let's compare them with other businesses that are below the 100 million and they are filing return, they are declaring their income and also claiming exemptions legally. So one will pay penalties and stress, while the other will pay just 0% tax. That's just the differences, and this is one of the benefits you get if you stay in law and you stay in compliance. And if you actually cannot do all of this yourself, you can reach out to a consultant like us that can actually help you out with it while you focus on growing your business. Tax reform is not about avoiding tax. It is about qualifying correctly. So if you don't position your business properly, the law will not protect you even when it should. And the question that I have for you today is, if you actually know, first, your business tax category, if you know, two, the second exemptions you qualify for, three, the filings that you are supposed to be doing, because ignorance is now very, very expensive, and that is why you need to take this very, very serious. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on our Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook page. We'll see you all in our next video. Bye bye.